welcome to my channel. This is ZQ Events, and today we'll be learning how to make Oreos cake or cookies and cream cake. So if you're here for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, share, and also click the notification bell to be notified whenever new videos drop. Okay, so let's begin. So we have our ingredients already pre-measured. We used 250 grams of butter, 250 grams of sugar. We also cream it to be light and fluffy, maybe for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then remember to scrape the sides. Then put in the eggs, one after the other, and mix. When you're done with your mixing, you can now go ahead and add your flour in 2 batches. Alternate it with the milk. I use whole milk. Okay, so you start with the flour and you also end with the flour. After you're done mixing it, you can now pour in your smashed Oreos. Mix thoroughly. Make sure it is evenly mixed until it's creamy and smooth. Then you can transfer to your already greased pan. And then go straight to the oven. Bake at a medium heat until it is golden brown in color. Our cake is ready. As you can see, very fluffy and spongy. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also share, leave a comment, and also click on the notification button to be notified when new videos drop. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.